Hi everyone, I am Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel, Food with Felicia Fox. Today is day 26 of the Carnivore Diet. So I'm going to do 90 days carnivore and then 90 days vegan and track my progress. Today is day 26. So I had 3 very long meetings. I just got done my 3rd meeting and it's really late. It's like 9 p.m. my time. The sun's going down, but it's a beautiful night. It's so beautiful right now. The temperature is perfect. I thought I'd go for a walk and shoot my video in the park. So it's super nice. Today, my sleep has been all over the place. I still have bouts of insomnia. It's not great. Like I've always had that problem actually. So I think I'll just, continue with the diet and the lifestyle and see how it eventually hopefully helps my insomnia. But I was driving around all day. So sitting a lot and then sitting in meetings because I'm hustling, because I'm trying to build this brand up to like a large, something larger than it is now. So driving and sitting. So it's good to walk. And then in between all of the driving and sitting, I had leftovers. I just had ribs. I had leftover ribs and leftover. Did I have chicken? No, just ribs. And then I ended up finding a rib steak and it was so good. I fried it all up and I ate it all and it felt so good and nourishing. It was amazing. In my last meeting, there's platters of crap food, like brown food, deep fried shite, nachos and all of the gross sauces and stuff. Excuse me. I had 3 pieces of various things. As soon as I took a bite, I'm like, I'm gonna pay for this. I shouldn't have done it, but I did. It's one of those bad habits that are still around, I guess. Excuse me. But other than that, I feel fabulous. I feel like I don't have any pain. I feel loosey-goosey. I feel invincible right now. I have mental clarity more and more every day. So I'm loving this. Yeah, tomorrow's kind of a free day. I should do some more food prep. I should make something, maybe go to the grocery store and get some more good food. But I'll do that. I'll think about that tomorrow. Yeah, I think that's all that I really wanted to talk about. So let's take a little walk and see it's beautiful sky. And there's a light breeze, so no mosquitoes are getting me. Anyway, day 26. Life is good. So I'll see you tomorrow.